Hi, we're going to do a product close-up from the Greatest Friends on Earth release and looking at the Mini Modern Embossed Slimline die. So you will receive the die all connected. You can leave it as is, as I'm doing, so it's connected and all, or you can cut the die completely apart so that you get even more looks from it. So I'm going to show you today just where it's connected. So you'll have a center panel that has the circles. The circles are each 1.5 inches in diameter. The larger panel is 2.75 inches by 5.75 inches, and the smaller panel is 2.375 inches by 3.575 inches. And so these work perfectly on a mini slimline card. The card base is a 3-inch by 6-inch dimensions. So you can layer, you can get so many looks, and I'm just going to show you a few of the looks that you can get. So I'm going to use this die set that I've cut out of heavyweight white cardstock because it stays all together very easily. And as you can see, this is the Friends Are Flowers stamp set from this new release, and it fits perfectly, and you even have room for a sentiment. So that's a vertical use. Now we're going to look at a lot of ways it can be used horizontally. So I have colored and die cut some images from the Hometown Parade stamp set, which is also part of this release. And so they fit perfectly on this mini slimline. You can make so many cute scenes. I mean, it's really endless, the number of cute scenes that you can make. So you can add to highlight or create more interest on the card. You can have the yellow background like I've cut here and just have, it creates more focus on the images. You can put them all in the middle. Or you can do the reverse. You can put the circles in there, as I'm about to do, and put the images in then the colored circles. So it's really, it's just endless. You can add foam, you can do shaker cards in those windows. So this is also cute. It just kind of highlights the images but creates a little bit of an interesting background. And so now we're going to look a little bit more vertically. Oh, yes. So I mentioned the shaker cards. So if you add foam, a foam overlay, and then put shaker bits in there, you can have an easy shaker card and put then a sentiment in the middle as well. And of course, the frames are always really fun as well. So that's with the 2 frames, and then you can just have the colored circles too. I mean, there's just so many ways to use this. And I love the mini slimline size because it's not too overwhelming. You can create a cute little scene pretty easily without too many images. And it really creates a wide view. So here again, you can use the same things vertically. And actually, I'm going to switch the images because really the duck is smaller and kind of works better in the middle. So as you can see, so here Cassie has made a beautiful card with the first bloom stamp, and then she's made another one with the Once Upon a Mime stamp. So thank you so much for watching, and we hope this was helpful.